Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to create dashboards. Why the dashboards is using. If you watch in movies or in SOC environment, in the investigation room has big screen. In that big screen they have different types of like pie charts, tables, graphs, all the stuff, right? What is that? It is a live logs dashboards. And why we are using it? If there is any security event spikes in the window or Linux, it will get in the screen. Let's see how to create dashboards in real-time logs. Today we are going to create dashboards in Windows by live logs. But how to set up forwarder, universal forwarder agent? Let's see. If you download the Splunk Enterprise and running in the local machine or local host, it will automatically select the event logs, Windows event logs. Let's see how it was done. In here you can select the index is equal to star. Here star means all index names. Okay, let's see source. Where is the source? In here source means event logs, Windows event logs. This is the source. Event logs means Windows event logs. And what is the type? Whether it is security, application, or whatever it is, it select the all types of sources. Okay, let's search it. In last 24 hours we are seeing that 4443 events. Okay, let's see in all time how many events it will show. Okay, more than 1 lakh, I think. Oh, okay, it was showing 2 lakhs 38,512, right? Okay, how to create dashboards for these things? Okay, let's see. Here we can see the dashboards, right? Click on the dashboards, create the new dashboard. Okay, what is the name? Windows. Okay, let's create the classic dashboards and permissions. I need this thing to be private, so create it privately. Okay, if you see here you can see the add panel, right? Click on add panel. Okay, in the new you can select any graph, any style. Okay, I'm selecting the bar chart and enter the search string. What string we have searched previously? Index is star, source is equal to events. Okay, run the search. It will provide the events. Based on these events, if you see here events, patterns, statistics, and visualization, click on visualization. In here you can see those like build tables and visualizing. Yes, okay, all the fields. Click on OK. It will create new pivot. If you are seeing here, this is the time right now. This is the time for live logs. Today, date, month, and year, and this is the time. Okay, click on this. Let's see what happened. Okay, go back. Okay, now we have the all Windows sources. Now we have only particular source, for example like security. Okay, let's search it. Yeah, in here we can have the Windows security. Just click on visualization. Your search isn't generating any static visualization result. Here's some possible way to get result. Okay, let's see. Let's add some more details. Like if you see here, the Windows logs as put as star and stat count by event code, sort count, and head 10. If you can see here, we can observe the event code and count. Okay, let's see visualization. Yeah, this is the visualization, and you can add this visualization to the board. And click here, save as existing dashboard, or you can create new dashboard. I create a new dashboard previously, so I can like input to that dashboard. For example, I created new Windows dashboard, right? Save dashboard. If you view dashboard, you can able to see the windows. See, this is how a dashboard look like if you need an edit, you can edit this. Like in here you can see the pie chart, you can see this as pie chart. Okay, let's save it. Yeah, we can save it. Okay, let's see. This is another, like this is the pie chart we use it for dashboard to visualize. This is how the dashboard really works. If you want to create more dashboards, you need to learn what is SPL, search process language. If you really don't know what is SPL, you can go through just copy and paste it. You can always copy and paste it from my blog. So each and every Windows log, there is a particular thing. For example, security, for example, application, for example, system. These are some things. In this category, you can sort the things with top 10, top 5, and top IP, top login failures, and these things. So you have to do your own work. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, share, and don't forget to like it.